Welcome back, friends! In our Understanding Fractions video, we learned that fractions are a way to show parts of a whole. If you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend starting there first. Today, we're going to build on that and learn how to add fractions when they have the same denominator. Let's get started. When adding two fractions together, just follow these steps. First, check the denominators. To add fractions, the denominators must be the same. We'll go over how to add unlike denominators in a future video. If the denominators are already the same, you're ready to add. The next step is to add the numerators. So, in our example here, we have 1/6 plus 3/6. Add the numerators. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So 1/6 plus 3/6 equals 4/6. The denominator stays the same. It does not change. The last step in adding fractions is to simplify if needed. You won't always have to do this, but you should always check to see if the fraction can be simplified. To simplify, we find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator, the largest number that divides evenly into both. Let's look at our answer, 4/6. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The greatest common factor is 2. Since both 4 and 6 can be divided by 2, we divide. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So 4/6 simplifies to 2/3. This would be our final answer. Let's try another one. 5/8 plus 2/8. Step 1, check the denominators. The denominators are the same. So we can move on to step 2 and add the numerators. 5 plus 2 equals 7. The denominator stays the same. So 5/8 plus 2/8 equals 7/8. Step 3 is to simplify if needed. This fraction can't be simplified. So this is our final answer. Let's try another one. 6/12 plus 3/12. Step 1. Check that the denominators are the same. Yep, they're both 12, so we can move to step 2 and add the numerators. 6 plus 3 equals 9. The denominator stays the same. So 6/12 plus 3/12 equals 9/12. Step 3. Simplify if needed. To do this, we need to find the greatest common factor of 9 and 12. Remember, a factor is a number that divides another number evenly without leaving a remainder. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So you want to find the largest factor they both have in common. The largest number they both have in common is 3. That means we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 9/12 simplifies to 3/4. That means our final answer is 3/4. Simplifying fractions makes them easier to understand and work with. Always check if the numerator and denominator have a common factor to make your answer as simple as possible. Let's try one more. 3/10 plus 6/10. Are the denominators the same? Yes. So now just add the numerators. 3 plus 6 equals 9. The denominator stays the same, 10. So 3/10 plus 6/10 equals 9/10. Once again, this can't be simplified. So 9/10 is our final answer. When adding fractions with like denominators, step 1, make sure the denominators are the same. Step 2, add the numerators. Step 3, simplify if possible. Adding fractions is easy when the denominators match. Want more practice? I put some problems in the description. Try adding them together on your own. Thanks for learning how to add fractions with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn this for more straightforward math lessons. See you next time.